bacon wrapped chicken wings in the air fryer. Oh yeah.
Okay, I have my chicken wings. I just cut them all up into drumettes. I did not film that part. If you are interested in how to do that, there are other videos out there on YouTube that will show you how to do that. Or you can go ahead and buy them already cut up for you. I transferred my wings into a bowl. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to this to help my seasonings stick a little better. You do not need to add olive oil if you don't want to. I am not going to add that much at all. I don't think that was even quite a teaspoon that I added. I'm going to add some garlic powder, and of course you can season your wings however you like. This is just what I'm going to do. So I'm going to add some garlic powder. Just a little bit of salt because we're going to wrap these up in bacon, so we really don't need that much. And some black pepper. Go ahead and toss these around, get that seasoning mixed well into these wings. Now we are ready to wrap these up in bacon. I'm going to take one of my drumettes and we're just going to start rolling it up. I do not think we are going to need to secure this with any toothpicks. I think if we put it seam side down, it will be okay. Slippery little fella. I'm going to have to do that one over. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish these up. Okay, I have 12 wings, just in case you're interested. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to put these in the air fryer basket, seam side down. Perfect. 12 wings in here, and I probably could have gotten one or two more. Okay, we are ready to pop these in the air fryer. And by the way, I'm using a Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart air fryer. I always seem to fail to mention that during a video, but I do always put what kind of air fryer I'm using up there in the title. So with that said, let's go ahead and pop these in the air fryer. Okay, I have the time set for 20 minutes and the temperature at 400 degrees. Halfway through, more than likely, I'm going to flip these over. We are 10 minutes in, and I am going to go ahead and flip these over. Okay, I have all these flipped. The bacon is staying intact pretty well. I'm going to pop these back in and let it go for the remaining 10 minutes. Okay, our 10 minutes is up on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and take a quick temp real quick. We are good. Now, you can leave your wings like this, or you can put barbecue sauce on them, which I think I'm going to do. So I have decided to go ahead and brush these with barbecue sauce. Okay, I have my husband Jim here. He's going to take the first bite.
That's good. Very good.
Okay, that passed the husband test. I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. I know I'm going to like it. I like anything. Oh, yeah. You can't go wrong with bacon. So before I go real quick, I want to say something to my brother Tracy. He watches my videos. Tracy, we are all so happy that you're moving back home. I will have all my brothers back in the same state again, and it just hasn't been the same without you. We all love you, and Mom is absolutely thrilled. We will see you soon.
Let the karaoke begin.
Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs down. That's okay. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And hit that bell. That will notify you when I have a new video up. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.